What's up, everybody? So I had a company reach out to me about doing product review. That company is AUTOONE. So they sent me a pair of their H11 100 watt 6500 color temperature 22,000 lumen LED light bulb. So I asked if they could send one for my 2015 Silverado. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Here we go. First impressions here. I like that the packaging is really nice. Like this comes just FedEx shipping via USPS, but the box wasn't damaged at all. So send you some fancy gloves so that you don't get any oil on these. These look like they have a built-in fan, which is nice because the other ones I have, they tend to get really hot. So that should be a nice feature. So let's go ahead and get on the truck. All right, so on top of the gloves they give you, they also give you a little instruction manual. So if you're not familiar with changing bulbs, it shows you the basics of how to do it. Also gives you the information off your product. So right here it's a 6500K white. It's aviation aluminum. Gives you a waterproof rating. Higher the IP, the more waterproof it is. Here's the expected working lifetime as well as the working temperature. Got these little dust covers. Now on the driver's side, if it's not a work truck, if it's a work truck, you'll have another battery right here. Mine is not a work truck, so you got these little dust covers. And then you have your bulb. So you're just gonna press down this little tab right here. Sometimes they can be pretty tough. Go ahead and slide that out. Be careful you don't cut your wire on your housing here. And then you just take these, pop them out. So, not going to show any brand names, but I'll show here's the competitors, and here is the AUTOONE product. You can see how big this housing is. That should help with the heat. It'll help absorb that heat, as well as the fan will help blow some of that heat out from what's actually generated. Because even though these are LED, it's 100 watt, it's still going to produce some heat. So the bulb distance looks the same, but man, these products right here, they look like they're beefed up quite a bit. Actually, it's me. It's kind of hard when you're standing over stuff. Go ahead and turn those till they click in. Make sure they're up and down. And then you're going to take and clip that in. Pull down on it a little bit. Make sure it's clipped in. Now you might be thinking that this is going to be pretty tight because you're sticking out quite a bit. I mean, here's your competitor one. Yeah, it sticks out quite a bit. But your dust cover cap has got wide open. So it should be able to go fix the gasket because the gasket's hanging out. But we're still in there nice and tight. See, this cover's got to fit just right on these tracks. And then we can go ahead and lock them on. All right, now the other side's a little worse. All right, here's the AUTOONE, and Here's the factory halogen. Nice bright white. Yellow. Gonna do a comparison between just the low beam as well as low beam with the high beam halogen. So should be dark right about. All right guys, check this out. This is my lows. These are my highs. Look how far you can see. Man, these things are bright. Okay guys, so that was pretty simple. Thanks again to AUTOONE for giving us a product to review. You can go on their website, AUTOONELED.com, and they have a category you can type in for your vehicle, and it'll show you what bulbs you need, or if you already know what you need, you can go ahead and type that in by size. So you can use checkout code MBS10 to get a 15% discount on your purchase. So thanks again, AUTOONE.